today's seller. Hey, what's up guys? This is Ivan Casares. I'm here with the Time team. We sell real estate here in San Diego, and today we're going to talk about what is a home inspection. So let's talk about it and see what you guys think. So a home inspection, first things first is who pays for the home inspection. So when you're buying a house, you're gonna have to pay for the home inspection, okay? The second thing that I want to talk to you guys about is what is done in a home inspection. He's gonna do a full, thorough inspection. He's gonna make sure that the roof, the electrical, the plumbing, the foundation, he's gonna make sure that it's a good investment for you. Now, typically in any house, there's always gonna be something that needs to be done. Even in new construction, a home inspector, that's what he gets paid for. So typically for a home inspection, the fee is anywhere, I would say, from $300 to $600. Again, this is kind of ballpark, right? Depending on the size of the home, whether it's a condo, whether it's a house that has a raised foundation, the home inspector has to go in there. That might be extra. Now, if the house has a pool, that's an additional fee. That might be anywhere from $50 to $100. But just typically, a home inspection will cost you from $300 to $600, okay? Now, when you enter contract, you have 17 days per the contract to get this done. So what that basically means is we have 17 days to do our due diligence. So right away, we're gonna order the home inspection. He's gonna check out all these big ticket items, and if anything needs to be addressed, we're gonna ask the seller to fix it, right? So there's three things that we can do. The first one is we can ask the seller to fix it, right? By licensed contractor. The second thing that we can ask them to do is we can ask them to give us a credit, right? Or the third thing that I like to do is we can ask them to lower the price. Usually when I do a home inspection with our buyers, we like to go after the big ticket items, the items that are gonna cost you thousands of dollars. We're not gonna nitpick for a little peeling paint, but if the roof is leaking, the foundation's cracked, if the plumbing, something's leaking, we definitely want the big ticket items fixed. So again, this is a little bit about a home inspection, what it looks like, and I'm excited to get this done for you guys, get a home inspector out there right away. Again, you don't have to use my home inspector. I have a home inspector that I recommend, but you're more than welcome to use whoever you like to use. So thanks again for watching. Hope this was educational. Hope you learned something. Have a great day. Bye-bye.